What's up guys, Toned Up, welcome to my channel. I have a walk behind brush mower, weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. He has the cutter in front, and my problem is like when I engage, if I pull this lever back, the front will not turn. Let me show you. So it'll take some time for it to spin before it catch up to the regular speed where you can actually cut with it. I put a new belt in there, it didn't solve the problem. This is my old one right here. And I think I might know the problem. I took this cover off the bottom, held together with 4 nuts and bolts. So here what it look like underneath the mower. His belt is very loose. Let me go ahead and engage the lever. Lever is engaged. You can see the belt is still very loose. And if I press it, it still can go in a little more. See how it goes in a little more? I think that's where it's supposed to be. Somehow it's catching over here and not allow this lever right here to go all the way in. I think this might be the culprit right here. I think this is bent. This is the this acts as a brakes too. When you disengage it, you press against the belt to stop this thing from spinning. So I'm gonna try to do is bend this right here and see if I can solve the problem. It's pretty thick metal. Maybe see if I can bend it. So I went ahead and removed the spring right here. It's in the way. I can easily put it in here and bend it. So let me go and try it out. And with the with this part bent straight, and we put the spring back in there. All right, I got the spring back in there. Let me go ahead and fire it up and see if that solved the problem. So I got the lever engaged. Even I bent this thing back, and the belt is not tight. This lever right here is not closing all the way. If I push it in, now it's nice and tight. And I think something here is binding, so I'm going to remove this lever and do an inspection on it. Went ahead and clean everything up in here. So I noticed this little spacer right here was put in this direction and I press against the bottom plate. You can see the indentation of it right here. Because this was the other washer, and it's smaller. It can't be it. This was how it was installed last time. So there's not much clearance over here. So when you tighten it, just press. You press this piece of metal against the other one, making it a little harder to swivel. So I'm gonna try to do is put this on the bottom and put the washer on top. I'm just gonna put an extra washer on it, then tighten it this way. It's easy to swivel. See if it solve the problem as far as why it wouldn't like move easily. And I clean as much as I can in there. Got the spring reattached, cable hooked up, and the belt reinstalled into the pulleys. Everything's tightened up. Let me go ahead and fire it up again and see if I can get this thing to move. Alright, that seems to solve the problem. So a combination of the little lever that got bent back a little bit, and also the belt tensioner, the swivel, it did not move smoothly, and so I went to clean it up and flip the washer around, and that seemed to take care of the problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.